Hello, everybody. Derek here. I remember I said a couple weeks ago, "Hey, everybody, Derek here." So I'm gonna start making videos again. Just wanted to make a quick video talking about my new phone. Now, this is a Linux channel, so nobody cares about Android, and that's awesome because I got an Android phone, the Nexus 6, for a good reason. No, I'm not going to be talking about Android and everything I love about it because honestly, I'm looking to get off of Android. I traded my Nexus 5X for the 6. Even though it's kind of a downgrade, there's a reason for it. Number one, this has way better battery life, but that doesn't matter. But actually, because the people over at ubports.com are porting Ubuntu Touch to the Nexus 6. Right now, it can only boot graphically, and I can't use it as my daily driver, but I hope to be able to do that soon. And I will have a nice 6-inch screen that I can review Ubuntu Touch on. If you guys are interested in me just installing Ubuntu Touch on this just to see what it looks like and have my brief, talking about it, I'll do that. But you have to know a lot of the features for Ubuntu Touch won't be working right yet. They're still developing it, like GPS, Bluetooth. Touch even doesn't work. Basically, what works right now is the graphics can load up and it can boot. And so they say on Ubu ports about like 10% done. And when it gets to about 85%, or maybe as long as I can get like audio through it, I can touch with it, I can use it as a phone, my SIM card works, I'll use it. I will delete Android. And that's why I got this phone, because I want to bring you guys more Linux content. And maybe in the future, this won't be my daily driver forever. I mean, I really, really do like the size of the screen, but it's an outdated device. So if I can find that running Ubuntu Touch, I can bring new life to that phone and I can use it for the show, and you guys can check it out and you'll be able to see all the cool things about Ubuntu Touch that a lot of people aren't talking about. I will do an Android and Ubuntu Touch installation, so I could do multi-ROM. So I could do like a week with Ubuntu Touch and a week with Android. I could do like what I need out of Ubuntu Touch, wish lists, like what do I think it should change, what do I think it does better than Android. So there is a lot of good mobile content that can come by just having this device. As you can see, it's just nougat right now, but I have fallen out of love with Android ever since I did that that Google experiment that I did. I just haven't seen Google the same way. I haven't respected them as much. I mean, I used to be kind of a fanboy, and now it's just like Google's okay, and I like them out of the three that make phones and stuff, but like I would prefer to have a Ubuntu Touch phone. And I found out that you can actually compile Firefox OS for this machine, and I'm really interested in that too. So if you guys want me to do a Firefox OS video, I don't know if it runs on the Linux kernel, but it's an alternative operating system, and I think it would be welcome on this channel. So let me know about that too, and I will do it. I'm looking for Sailfish OS stuff because that's a Linux OS for it, and basically just whatever I can get my hands on, alternative operating systems for this that run on Linux. But expect the next Fun with Linux episode coming. Like I said, it may be a first look at Ubuntu Touch on the Nexus 6. It may be a Firefox OS thing if you guys care about that. It may be something entirely different. I don't know. I was thinking of making a video of how to split up your hard drive and an SD card for those of you running low-powered laptops, because I've got my HP laptop, which is running in a split mode like I talked about in my last vlog. So lots of stuff coming up, guys. I am not done making videos. I am very much ready to do stuff for 2017. And by the way, those of you who are wondering, I did get new headphones. These ones don't have tape on them. They're actually really nice. Audio Technicas, I really like them. It's less complicated. Like I've got one cable with it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to making these videos. So leave your suggestions in the comments. What do I do with this thing, Linux related? I will see you guys next time.